In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint Designer to instantly improve your slides. We'll walk through how to turn basic slides into polished layouts in just a few clicks, while keeping everything simple and easy to follow. Start by opening your presentation. Make sure each slide has some content on it: text, images, or charts. Designer works best when it has something to analyze, so if a slide is completely blank, add at least a title, a few bullet points, or an image. Even a placeholder graphic or a short sentence is enough to kickstart the suggestions. Next, go to Designer. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, you'll find it in one of two places: Home, then Designer, or Design, then Design Ideas. Click that, and you'll see a panel appear on the right. If you don't see it immediately, try selecting a slide that has content, or switch to another slide and back. Sometimes it takes a moment to load suggestions. Now browse the suggestions in the panel. PowerPoint will show you a variety of layouts tailored to what's on your slide. These can include new arrangements for text and images, more balanced spacing, and styles that align colors and fonts. Scroll to see different options. The goal is to find a design that communicates your message clearly. If your slide is text-heavy, look for layouts that break the content into readable chunks. If you're highlighting a photo or chart, choose a design that gives it room to shine. When you see one you like, click it to apply the design to the current slide. Your content stays the same, but the layout shifts to a more polished look. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. You can click another suggestion at any time or switch back. After applying a design, adjust your content if needed. You can move or resize text boxes and images, and Designer will adapt the layout to keep things aligned. If something looks crowded, try trimming extra text or swapping in a higher quality image. Designer generally produces better results with concise content and clear visuals. Repeat this process for your other slides. Apply Designer individually, or use it as you add new content so your presentation stays consistent throughout. Aim for a cohesive style by choosing similar designs across slides, and revisit any slide later if your story evolves. That's it. Simple steps to make your slides look professional with minimal effort.